Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some more affordable makeup. I have this new Maybelline Green Edition foundation. I'm in the shade 30. It's supposed to be 100 natural or origin ingredients, 84% ingredients are natural. It's a vegan formula. It's a clean formula. It's a glass bottle. This is an oil-based foundation. Not sure how my skin's gonna react. But you would need an oil to get this off. Not good. Oh, man. It's got a good coverage to it. I would say medium. I would say this is a medium coverage. There's no scent to it, really. It smells like a foundation. Not bad. Not bad for an oil foundation. I've never, well, years ago, growing up as a kid, there were oil foundations. Not bad at all. It's their makeup. It's affordable. I picked up the nude palette, and I picked up a highlighter and a bronzer. A lot of kick up. The color match is pretty good. Very powdery though. I have a blush stick from ColourPop. These have come out a little while ago. I got the color Under Pressure. They're not very emollient. The color payoff is decent. That's not bad. That's pretty good. So that's a win. I have a Maybelline Activewear Super Stay Concealer, 30 hours. Let's try that out. That's what the applicator looks like. Maybe a little bit too light for me. It's not a full coverage concealer. I like the applicator. And I have the Beauty Bay eye base, which I like. Has like a tint to it. Now the thing with Beauty Bay, which you're not gonna like, when you buy from them, and if you have to return something, it has to be totally unused. They don't take used makeup back in Europe. All right. This is what the nude palette looks like. It has shimmers, and it's a very pretty nude palette. I'm going to take this Rephr 27. I'm going to go into Delicate just to set the eye area. Very pigmented. Then I'm going to go into All or Nothing and put that in my crease. I'm going to take Warm and Cozy, which is this matte brown right up here. Put that in my outer V. Then I'm going to take my shimmer brush and go into Starry Eyes, which is right here. I have this matte lipstick, which I thought was decent. I like the color. It's in Gelato. It's from Beauty Bay. It's a pretty pink. Well, anyways, the new eyeshadow came out decent. I like the palette. It's good for $10. That's what I got it for. I really... What do I do with it? The concealer was good. It's not full coverage. It's supposed to last 30 hours, so I don't know. The blush stick was good. I'd even consider picking up more of these. And what else? Oh, in the foundation. I like the look of it. It went on seamlessly, spread out beautifully. It's really good. So, I do recommend it. Well, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and I'll see you in my next video.